go to the party because I'm as busy as a bee. I have a lot of work to do. So this idiom, this expression, it means to be really busy. Like, not busy as in you have several hours in a day to spare and you just choose not to work. It means you just have so much work to do. So you are as busy as a bee. Bees, they're very hardworking animals. They do a lot to get the honey from the flower and create the honeycomb and all of that. So when we say we are as busy as a bee, it means we are super busy. We have a lot going on. In the second example, I said, I wouldn't try to separate them because birds of the same feather flock together. Now, the idea is when you have a group of birds, right, they're of the same feather, meaning they're in the same species, or they have similarities, commonalities, things like that. So they flock, they gather together, they do things together in general. So it's talking about the idea of people who are the same, who have similar interests and beliefs and things like that. They tend to stay together with their own, so to speak. So for today's lesson, we're going to talk about the idiom, elephant in the room. We use this expression when we need to acknowledge something or someone or a topic, situation that is a bit distracting or doesn't quite fit. And it's maybe like an awkward sort of situation. You might be with a group of people and someone is wearing something that's a little off or is doing something that's a little bizarre. So because it's so strange, it's so odd and weird, these are the types of words that we typically use to categorize an elephant in the room, something that doesn't quite fit, it's considered an elephant in the room. Because it's very obvious that this thing is there, but it's almost like no one wants to talk about it. No one wants to address it. Yet it's a situation that needs to be addressed. So when you have an elephant in the room, you're talking about something that needs to be discussed, and maybe people aren't necessarily talking about it or addressing it.